Now I have to go to my landlord, dude, who lives right down the hall.
Oh, no.
And tell him like, hey man,
2:30 in the morning. I
I'm
got locked out. And the
locked
blender's
out, and
on,
the blender's
son.
going.
Oh my God, he must have hated you.
Oh, the blender shorts out and smoke happens. The fire alarm starts going off in the building right as I'm at his door knocking, right?
Oh my God.
So now he's pissed and he's like, what's going on? And I didn't know what to say. I told him that I was throwing a late Christmas party, dude. It was fucking end of January.